Terminal 3. Terminal 1.
Don't touch me!
Put your hands
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
351, which door are you near?
Last door of the terminal. I need you to put you're not hearing me. Put your hands behind your back. I'm trying not to jump you to the ground. Please. You're not understanding.
Units hold traffic while I get a dispatch.
On March 2nd, 2022, an arrest at JFK Terminal 5 raised several important constitutional questions.
Can you show me who she is? What is she taking?
She takes chips. The first time she comes to get the chips, I said no. She gonna going to get her the coke. I said no. When I'm going to get the coke, you just show me the coke, the hot coffee on it. The right t-shirt, yeah.
That one down there, okay. 3 Bravo 10. The black female's outside on lower level on it. We're trying to make 25.
Signal 68 at 600 Terminal Drive, please.
How you doing, man? Good. What's going on with the lady at the coffee shop?
She tried to throw coffee on me.
Why? What happened? You have some ID for me real quick?
Sure. For what though?
Because she's saying you threw something at her.
But what ID got to do with it?
So I can identify who I'm talking to.
You could just ask me my name.
I'd rather see your ID. It's better if I
See it. Just look.
Yeah, I'm going to give it back to you. I'm not taking it.
I'm not holding it. I'm not holding it. You don't have to hold it in your hands. I'll just show you. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Attention to Bravo 568. It's a 21 conveyance in progress. 301 East 80 Beach Boulevard.
You don't even
At
have
the Dania High Line. A truck with a white male wearing a mask breaking into a black BMW. We're still in line for further. Cases 119.
No, I don't see her attitude.
Exactly. So why are you coming to me?
Well, because she's saying you were trying to take stuff too.
No, she threw coffee on me.
Yes, go ahead.
You heard?
Golf Tree Road.
No picture. No picture.
Like, I need to see your ID.
You can see it, but no pictures.
Okay, ma'am.
No pictures. I don't know what y'all trying to do.
Just watch her real quick.
You can't take pictures of my ID. I don't play that. Y'all trying to do some scamming.
You know she trying to punch me in my face.
Okay. Boulevard and Gulfstream.
I really don't want her down here anymore.
Okay, are you willing? So what did she say to you exactly?
I told her to don't take anything, to get away from the station. She was like, do you want to get punched in the effing face? Because I'll do it. I said, do what you have to do.
Did she take anything?
Yeah, she stole the soda, she stole chips, and the coffee she's drinking.
She didn't pay for it.
No,
Okay, let me get your other employee's information. I'm gonna go.
She does this all the time. She came into Starbucks, she threatened us in Starbucks. This isn't her first time doing it.
No,
I don't have that
she's got an attitude. She's gonna
Yeah.
try to adjust it today, if we can. Get her out of here, trespass her at least. But, all right, what happened today?
Yes.
She's coming. When she's gonna get around, she took chips. I said,
Where are the chips at?
Right now we're conducting an investigation, so you can't leave.
on what?
On you.
About what?
We're conducting an investigation, so I need you to stay. Do me a favor, okay?
An investigation about what?
I'm telling you we're conducting an investigation,
I said about what?
so I need you to stop.
An investigation
I need you
about
to stop.
what? Don't
I need you to
touch me.
stop.
Don't touch me.
Just walk along. We're not walking anywhere. We're staying right here.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. 9351, lower level, Terminal 3. Terminal 1.
You're not.
Touch me.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
351, which door are you near?
Last door of the terminal. I need you to put. You're not hearing me. Put your hands behind your back. I'm trying not to jump you to the ground. Please. You're not understanding.
Units hold traffic while I get a dispatch.
Hold on. I'm not holding on to anything. Yep. resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back.
On District 3, Airport Terminal.
Put your hand behind your back. Right now. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You're pushing against me.
You're holding my arm.
I'm trying to get you. So give me this arm.
Will you let me stand up?
I'm not letting you stand up.
Well, you're hurting my arm.
Did she pay? No.
Did she make any attempts to pay?
No, she said, I'm hungry.
District 3,
I'm
Airport
hungry. I get it.
Terminal,
I'm
Bravo,
just
Penal,
hungry.
District 3,
She
Airport
said
Terminal, Bravo.
When she took the stuff, what happened then?
Dispatch to Pack 1.
yes, when I said, the last time she gonna took the coffee, I said, no, you cannot do it. I'm going to call the security. She said, I don't care. And now that's why I'm called Miss Lauren. And she threw the coffee, the hot coffee. She had the hot coffee. She threw it on me. Yes.
Where'd you
see, touch my t-shirt is wet.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
No, I can see a couple of the dots and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's hot
Okay.
coffee.
Are you willing to prosecute?
Do you want to press charges?
Yeah, because
Okay.
it's mommy. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to have to get a statement from you, but I'm going to go grab her real quick and put her in the back of my car. Then I'm going to get a statement from you, okay? I'll be back in a sec.
Can somebody get my shades, please? But right here. Right here. No,
I have somebody coming, but
I saw you talking to the other guy.
Thank you. Wait, give me them.
I need you to stop resisting. You're not giving me your arm.
But I'm asking for my shades.
I need you to stop resisting.
I'm asking for my shades. Can somebody pass me my shades, please? Yeah, but I want them in my bag because then they're going to end up missing my shades. No, they're not.
Lower level at the west end.
Can you get my shades?
I didn't get a chance to switch.
I kept telling you to come back. She kept walking away from me.
I didn't hear you.
Listen,
My shades right
I said I
there.
needed 94.
Well, I switched over, so I didn't hear you come over.
My shades.
All right, well, she's a 15 anyway.
You heard me?
Come on.
Excuse me, my shades. Can you pass my shades right there? Those shades. Can you put them in my pocket and get my sweater?
You get your stuff.
Need to get up, please.
Let's go take it down to my car.
Oh, wait, where my shades?
They're hanging on.
Why is she holding me so tight?
Because you walked away from her.
No, right now. Damn. I'm not into females, please.
She wouldn't stop.
No.
What is
You're
that?
15. You're good to go.
What is that? What?
Walking away. Listening. Where's her purse?
Because I was smoking a cigarette.
Got that.
I just heard them talking, so she was looking at the lady, and her and another chief officer. And then when she tried to approach her, the lady wouldn't stop. She kept walking, asked her to proceed. And then she went, I had it stayed in front of her, blocking her way, the cop, sheriff. And then she just threw some coffee on her.
What you say?
I said, what? Oh, never mind, I'm going to first.
I don't hear you.
So I'll find the stuff that you took from the bar back there.
The coffee?
Coffee, all the
You'll
other
find it.
stuff.
How you'll find it?
She ate it all.
Don't forget my sweater.
Exactly.
You heard me?
Yeah. Don't worry about your stuff.
No, I have to worry about my stuff. You heard me? That's my stuff.
Hold on. Hold on.
All right.
Can you hold on to this?
I don't know what she was reaching for. She started to reach in her bag, just so you know.
For a lighter. I smoke my cigarette.
Let go of your bag.
I'm not holding my bag, sweetie. I'm in handcuffs. Don't make up stories.
I told you, don't let go of your bag.
You said to
Move
let
your
go
hand.
of it. Honey, just do what you're doing.
Three Bravo, 31, 10, 16, 11, 20.
Stop moving.
You stop moving.
Bravo, 31, guys. Attention 3 Bravo 32 is being 22 at 200 Terminal Drive. It's for JetBlue, 8 Foxtrot 9. In reference to a customer that's non-compliant,
Check her real quick.
that's non-compliant, requesting a unit to respond until further at this time.
Got him.
This is 156.
Say this one or face forward?
Face the car.
Don't turn this off of me. You're too touchy.
Okay, first of all, I'm not too touchy.
You are. I'm not going anywhere. You scared?
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere.
You just walked away from her after she told you multiple times not to.
Right here. That's because I was smoking a cigarette. I didn't want to blow smoke on her face. Chasing behind me.
Spread your feet for me.
Hold on. Just tell me how much. Relax.
Right there.
Relax. Can you put those in my bag? Can you put my shades in my bag?
Things are going in your bag.
What happened?
Your things are going in your bag.
So why you not putting them in there?
Your bag's over there. They're in there.
Can you turn my card around so the numbers don't show? Why are you holding my card like that?
I'm just holding your card.
Yeah, but you don't have to show my numbers.
Have a seat.
Make sure my stuff go in my bag.
It is. Have a
Can
seat.
you wipe the seat off?
No, have a seat.
Why you want me to sit on a dirty seat?
Because it's just dirty.
How can I have a seat when she holds it on to me?
Good. She's waiting for you to move.
She don't need to put me.
Yeah.
She does not need to put me. Make sure my stuff go in my bag.
No, I put on together.
This analysis examines the applicable law rather than the narrative of the underlying incident. The Fourth Amendment governs all seizures of the person and requires either reasonable suspicion or probable cause. Under Adams v. Williams, an identified citizen informant carries a strong presumption of reliability. A face-to-face complaint from an on-scene employee easily satisfies that reliability threshold. New York's controlling framework is People v. Bour, decided by the Court of Appeals in 1976. Bour created 4 graduated tiers governing every police-citizen encounter within the state. Tier 1 permits a mere request for information supported by an objective, credible reason. Tier 2 allows common law inquiry on founded suspicion that criminality is afoot. Tier 3 authorizes forcible detention on reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio. Tier 4 requires probable cause for full custodial arrest. A critical statute is New York Criminal Procedure Law Section 140.10. That statute limits warrantless arrests to offenses committed in the officer's presence, or any felony. Misdemeanors occurring before the officer arrives create a facial question about statutory arrest authority. However, once a subject physically resists, resisting arrest itself is committed in the officer's presence. That independent offense supplies an ironclad, standalone basis for the custodial arrest. Resisting arrest under Penal Law Section 205.30 requires the underlying arrest to be authorized. This authorization requirement is where defense counsel typically focuses any suppression challenge. Use of force is analyzed under Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989. Graham requires objective reasonableness judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene. 3 factors control: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance or flight. Severity is elevated whenever an alleged offense involves a thrown liquid or projectile against a person. A controlled takedown to prone under these circumstances sits within the empty hand control tier. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, warrantless custodial arrest for a misdemeanor is constitutionally permissible. The Supreme Court rejected any argument that minor offenses require citation instead of custody. Post-arrest searches at the patrol vehicle are governed by United States v. Robinson. Robinson permits a full search of the person incident to lawful custodial arrest without additional suspicion. The phrase "don't touch me" has no legal effect on an otherwise lawful seizure. Consent is not a required element of a seizure supported by probable cause. A verbal denial of resistance is regularly contradicted by the physical record on audio and video. Courts routinely credit the observable physical evidence over contemporaneous verbal denials. Petit larceny under Section 155.25 is a Class A misdemeanor in New York. Menacing in the 3rd degree under Section 120.15 is a Class B misdemeanor. Assault in the 3rd degree under Section 120 requires proven physical injury to sustain. Absent medical documentation of injury, the charge is typically reduced to harassment in the 2nd degree. The arresting officer earns a grade of B+ for a legally sound investigation and restrained use of force. His principal deficiency was failing to verbalize the specific charges at the moment of arrest. Criminal Procedure Law Section 140.15 requires officers to state authority and cause of arrest. The subject receives a failing grade of F for conduct generating multiple charges through her own choices. Every escalation was subject initiated. Every de-escalation opportunity was affirmatively declined. The complainant receives an A- for a clear, contemporaneous, and corroborated citizen witness account. The Port Authority Police Department receives a B, pending review of internal policies not in the record. 3 lessons emerge from this analysis for officers, citizens, and retail businesses respectively. For officers, articulate specific charges and authority at the moment of arrest without exception. This eliminates suppression risk and strengthens the record for both criminal and civil proceedings. For citizens, no phrase, gesture, or objection confers immunity against a lawful investigative stop or arrest. The proper forum for challenging an arrest is the courtroom, never the sidewalk or the retail floor. Physical resistance manufactures an additional criminal charge, even where the original stop lacked merit. For businesses, escalate to law enforcement before attempting physical retrieval of merchandise. Modern retail safety policies increasingly prohibit direct engagement with suspected thieves for this reason. Contemporaneous body camera documentation protects officers, complainants, and subjects alike. The audiovisual record permits meaningful legal analysis that a written report never could achieve. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.